Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to create a professional-looking video using the new design templates in simpleshow Video Maker. Let's get started. First, I click Create New Video. Just like before, I can decide how I want to create my script. I can write it myself, generate it with AI, or turn existing materials, such as a document or a presentation, into a script. For this example, I'm going to let the AI create the script for me. Before moving on, I can now choose a video template. At the top, I can filter the selection depending on what I'm looking for. I can either display only templates that include an avatar or browse all available templates. It's worth taking a moment to compare the different options, since each template has its own visual structure and works particularly well for certain types of content. For my video, I'm choosing this template. It combines an avatar with illustrations and real-life images, which is exactly what I need for my topic. Once I open the template preview, I can see how the individual scenes might look in the final video. And honestly, this already looks pretty good. The template currently uses this illustration style by default. If I want to try a different visual look, I can simply click Switch Illustration Style and choose another option. A quick tip: when comparing illustration styles, think about your audience and the overall tone of your message. A playful style might work well for an internal update, while a cleaner style may be better suited to a customer presentation. For this video though, I'm happy with the default style, so I'll leave it as it is. Now I click Select Video Template. In the next step, I can create my script with AI as usual. We'll skip that part for now and jump straight to the result. Let's take a look at what the simpleshow Video Maker has created by combining my script with the selected template. That looks really professional already. The layout, illustrations, images, and avatar scenes have all been automatically matched to the content of my script and the structure of the template. The video has also applied my company colors to the different design elements automatically. These colors come from the brand settings I configured earlier. This is a useful way to keep videos visually consistent, especially when several people or departments are creating content for the same company. Of course, the generated video is only a starting point. I can still edit any scene and adjust individual elements. For example, I can replace an illustration, choose a different real-life image, change the text, or modify the layout. So even though the template does most of the design work for me, I still have full control over the final result. And that's it! With the new design templates, you can quickly give your videos a professional and consistent look without having to build every scene from scratch. Try out a few different templates and illustration styles to find the combination that works best for your message, your audience, and your brand. Thanks for watching, and have fun creating your next video!